CommBank Smart Health is an all-in-one real-time payments health claiming and healthcare directory solution with all major Australian private health insurers enabled. Smart Health is simple and easy for patients to use and integrates the latest technology and customizable features. To get started, we'll provide you with CommBank Smart Health Hub login details and instructions to complete your terminal setup and integration with Dental for Windows. To process a transaction through Dental for Windows, you'll need to ensure you have completed your terminal integration between the Smart Health solution and Dental for Windows, and that the Smart Terminal is set as your default terminal. Create the transaction details as you would normally in Dental for Windows and select New Invoice. Select Smart Health on the payment screen. For terminal-based payments, select Card Present, then select OK. The transaction will be pushed to the Smart Terminal. If the patient has a private health fund membership, select Swipe Health Fund Card to process with a health fund card. If not, select No Health Fund for full payment. Swipe the patient's health fund card. Enter the IRN, the individual reference number, which represents the position of a person on their health fund card, and continue. The details will be sent to the private health insurer to assess the claim, and an invoice is created with a breakdown of what's covered by the health fund. Hand the terminal to the patient to review. They can scroll to review services, the total health fund benefit and total gap, and either reject or approve the transaction. There's no need to print and store a physical receipt. The patient can sign digitally on the terminal, and the signature is stored within the CommBank Smart Health Hub for 7 years. Once the patient has signed, select Accept to proceed to payment. Select the payment type, card for credit or debit card payments, or cash/other for cash or other payment types. Depending on the payment type, ask the patient to insert, swipe or tap and enter their PIN to make payment. Once the transaction is approved, you can provide the customer with a copy of the merchant receipt if requested. The payment and claim are now approved and the invoice is displayed. For more options, select the menu icon at the bottom right of the screen. Select Print Receipt to print a copy for the patient, Finish to return to the home screen, or Cancel to return to the invoice screen. There's no need to print a receipt for the practice, as this will be stored in the CommBank Smart Health Hub. Dental for Windows will confirm the transaction is now complete. Select OK. For cash or other payments, a window will pop up to confirm, review, and select OK. To view a report of each transaction in the CommBank Smart Health Hub, navigate to the Private Health Insurance or PHI Declaration Report tab. The patient's claim and their digital signature is stored within the CommBank Smart Health Hub for 7 years. These are easily searchable via the drop-down menus. Filter by practice, fund name or date range. Select Run Report to find a specific claim. Select the Download button to download a PDF copy of the declaration. For more information about CommBank Smart Health, contact 1800 222 484 or your relationship manager.